Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, we are going to see a term called waste exchange. Getting rid of industrial waste poses many problems for those who generate those kind of waste. With the environmental restraint enforced by fines, companies must minimize waste at its source, recycle it within the company, or transport it for off-site recycling, treatment, or disposal. The concept of waste exchange began in Canada in 1980s, involves moving one institution's overstock, obsolete, damaged, contaminated, or post-dated material to another site that might be able to use it. Waste exchange companies sprang up to meet this need, but the need for effective and rapid communication between these companies soon became apparent because much of the waste involved in the program had to be dealt with a timely basis. Hazardous waste, for example, must be disposed of within 90 days. Servicing about 30 waste exchange companies in the United States and Canada, the National Material Exchange Network acts like an industrial dating service. While protecting the identity of companies generating the waste, the network publishes a want list and an available source list of laboratory chemicals, paints, acid, and other kinds of waste. Some are hazardous, but others are innocuous, such as one company's scrap wood, which was bought by another to be ground up for air freshener. So this kind of waste exchanges are growing nationally and internationally for better environmental management. Thanks for watching. Bye.